When the moon is high and the pumpkins glow, there's only one place to get your spooky carved goods. Crazy Carl's Creations .online. Laser cut decor so sharp it's scary. But just when you think the fright is right, boom! It's already Christmas time. At Crazy Carl's Creations, we've got your holidays covered. From Fright Night to Christmas lights. Why settle for boring decorations when you can have laser magic? These aren't just cut. They're cut crazy good. So, whether you're carving pumpkins or trimming the tree, make your holidays unforgettable with Crazy Carl's Creations. Don't be spooky, don't be gritchy. Shop Crazy Carl's Creations .online today before these goodies vanish like a ghost in the night.